Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock SoFi account 2026. First, need to understand that accounts are usually locked due to security reasons such as suspicious activity, multiple failed login attempts, or verification issues. Start by trying simple fixes like resetting your password, clearing your browser cache, or logging in from a different device, as sometimes the issue is temporary. If your account is still locked or restricted, the most important step is to contact SoFi support directly through their phone line, app, or email. They will typically ask you to verify your identity by providing documents like an ID or confirming recent transactions. Once your identity is verified, your account is usually unlocked within 24 to 72 hours, although it may take longer in more complex cases. It's important not to create a new account or repeatedly attempt incorrect logins, as this can delay the process. Overall, unlocking your account mainly requires contacting support and completing the verification process. That's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.